Alright, hey guys, this is Artino Sims with my week 4 summary here on Screencast. I know it's kind of late, it took me a while to figure this out, but here we go. So here's my PowerPoint. I usually like to use Prezi, but the Prezi was tripping out on my laptop a little bit, so here's here's my PowerPoint. So first thing I did was, we worked on something on Monday. We worked on our castle kits, and we just used our kits to make series and parallel circuits. Here's a little picture of, the best picture I could find of a castle kit. And basically, here's an example of a series circuit and parallel circuit. And basically, what's happening in a series circuit is the current is moving from here all the way around to here, as you can see demonstrated by these arrows. There's the current is moving through 1, 2, 3 resistors, and what's happening basically is some observations that we made were the more resistors you add, the weaker the current gets, which you'll know that the current's getting weaker or smaller or however you want to phrase it. But you'll notice this basically by the fact that the light bulbs in the series will get dimmer the more that you add. So there's one, and then here in the parallel series or the parallel circuit, you'll see that basically the same thing's happening, but with every single resistor. So the current moves through here, through the first resistor and back. Then the current moves through here and back, and through here and back. Basically, when things are connected in parallel like this, the current is going to be the same through each resistor, and you'll notice that because all of the light bulbs will be the same level of brightness from the time you connect this one till the time you connect this one and this one. Their current will all be the same. So there's then on Wednesday we got into our groups for projects, what we're going to do, and we basically what we did was we selected our groups and who we're going to work with for the projects that we're going to present at the Honors Expo, and we also worked a little bit more on our castle kits and made a series parallel connection as well in our castle kits, which we also made some observations, and we took it from there. So here's an example of a series parallel circuit. As you can see, we've got a series right here where the wires are just connect through what would be a resistor up here, which also connects to these two, then this connects to these, and then another wire that leads back. So basically what happens is the current still moves through here, but it gets weaker and encounters a lot more resistance going through these resistors here, which in turn you'll see that when you make the connection, these light bulbs appear to not be lighting up, as opposed to when it goes through here, which would normally be a resistor right here. You'll see that this resistor lights, so which means there's less resistance right here. So that's just one observation that we made, and it only stands to reason basically that the voltage is all the same, but the current is not. And then on Friday, what we did was we had a little more fun with Castle, and a little more fun with physics, basically. And we also worked a little bit more on our projects. We kind of started a little bit on them, and basically got a better feel and idea for whatever it is that we're going to do. And here's just some pictures of you know, some of the connections that we made with our castles, with our castle kits, and another picture here, and then here's another picture of our group board. And what you can see, what we're doing in our group project is we're making a portable phone charger that's gonna look like the arc reactor from Iron Man. And what's it called? So, and basically here's the people that are in the group. It's me, myself, Nathan, and Dasher. And we are the Alpha Raiders because we the best like that. Anyway, sorry about this, guys. It's me and Bay. It's Bay. Here we go. And now here we have my VPython stuff. Also what we worked on this week. So I can just like show you guys some things like I made some spheres, added an arrow, added a coil as well. Some things that I learned through VPython is that the different axes actually change. I didn't know this before, but apparently this is something you probably go over in Calc 3. But I found out that your y-axis is up and down, your x is from side to side, you know, which was just general knowledge coming in. But what I didn't know was that your z-axis comes, you know, in and out like this, you know what I mean? Comes in and out at you. So, you know, I thought that was pretty cool. Something that definitely put in my notes. I'm not trying to edit this program. Here's also another one that we did. Made my initials. I know it's all white and it looks kind of boring, you know, but I used nothing but ellipsoids because I found that they were just kind of the best shapes to use, at least personally, the best shapes to use for you know, putting my initials together. So there's that. And I know they're all white and kind of boring, but you know, I was gonna go back and add some color in there. Why do I keep hitting? And basically, you know, that's pretty much it for me. I'm still working on trying to get the spheres to move. It's been a little rough in terms of time and trying to put in the right amount of time to get this stuff done. But I'm still working on this. So that's basically it for me. Thanks, guys, and hope you guys enjoyed my screencast.